In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay with Apple Pay. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So Afterpay does not directly integrate with Apple Pay for in-store or online purchases. However, you can still use Afterpay for your purchases through certain methods. First is online retailers. So some online retailers that accept Afterpay may also accept Apple Pay as a payment method. So you can shop at these retailers and choose Afterpay at checkout to split your payment into installments. Next is Afterpay online stores. So shop directly from online retailers that offer Afterpay as a payment option. While Afterpay doesn't integrate with Apple Pay, you can still use Afterpay to complete your purchase on these websites without using Apple Pay. Next is gift cards. So purchase gift cards from retailers that accept Afterpay and also support Apple Pay. So you can use Afterpay to buy the gift card and then use Apple Pay to make purchases with the gift card. Next is Afterpay in store. So if you're shopping in store at a retailer that accepts Afterpay, you can't use Apple Pay directly with Afterpay. However, you can add your Afterpay virtual card to your Apple Wallet and use it at checkout. But this method doesn't split payments into installments like traditional Afterpay transactions. Next is credit card with installment plans. So some credit card issuers offer installment plans that allow you to split your payments into installments. So you can use Apple Pay with these credit cards and take advantage of their installment plans instead of Afterpay. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.